What's up, y'all? JSB the Creator, and I'm back again with a new video today for y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be working on a pair of Jordan 1s mid-tops. You know, a lot of people hate on mid-tops, but that's what I'm gonna be working on today, a pair of mid-tops. We're gonna be hitting these mid-tops with a Naruto Itachi theme.
Itachi.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we're gonna be hitting this with Itachi theme for a client. They want me to put Itachi on the shoe and on the jacket. So it's gonna be a combo video today. And you know, we love doing the combos. Now, I've seen a lot of customizers do Naruto themes, Itachi themes, you know, all types of anime themes, but I'm gonna try and do mine a little bit different. We're gonna cut this swoosh off. We're gonna put like an image of Itachi right here. And then we're gonna put both checks, they're gonna be black fire, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna get into that right now. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do a Itachi Jordan 1 mid. And that's what we're gonna do. Let's get into it right now. Boom. カトン豪華級の術特別な車輪眼の同術現実つくよみのやおまってらす once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video on these. I'm about to call these the bread Itachis, man. The bread Itachi joints, Itachi ones, customs right here, man. So clean, so clean, so fresh, so clean, so fresh and so clean. I need to stop showing y'all these. These things are fire, man. But yeah, you know, some details. You know, I got Itachi's headband as the you know, logo on the tongue. You know, I got the Shanigans on the back. Got his Katsuki suit wrapped around the shoe. Got the black flames on there from, you know, some of his moves. You know, I got the crows. You know what I mean? And yeah, I got some images of Itachi on there. And I can't forget the jacket too. I'm saying I got the black flames going across the front. Got the little Uchiha fan melting on the side. And then, you know, I got the photo right here. You know what I mean? So, you know, fresh combo. Like I said, you know, I love doing combos. But yeah, I'm gonna get these back to where they need to be, back to their owner, and you know, knock down another one, man. I'm a one-man army right now. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you enjoyed today's content. If you didn't, keep it moving. You know, y'all enjoy y'all day, y'all night, whatever it is, wherever y'all at. And catch me until next time, man. I'm probably gonna be working on them bad boys up there. That's a little sneak peek of something I got coming up in the future. But yeah, I'm about to do those up. So I'll check y'all on the next video, on the next project. Peace. I'm out.